When we think about trying to lower high blood pressure, we usually think of restricting salt and processed foods. But a heart-healthy diet is more than just lowering your sodium intake. The DASH diet, dietary approaches to stop hypertension, which is specifically designed to help manage blood pressure, emphasizes eating many fruits, vegetables, low-fat dairy, and other fiber-rich foods. Incorporating many of these foods that lower blood pressure into your diet can be a great way to facilitate a healthier lifestyle. And there are even foods that lower blood pressure quickly so you can get started on your journey to better health. 1. Yogurt. Low-fat dairy products are a great source of calcium, one of the main compounds that help fight high blood pressure. Feller adds that potassium, protein, vitamins, and minerals from yogurt are great complements to your diet as well. A 12-ounce serving of low-fat yogurt will give you about 30% of the recommended amount of calcium for the day. 2. Bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium, with one average-sized banana packing about 420 milligrams. That's about 9% of the recommended daily intake. Potassium is great for blood pressure management, and research has shown diets low in potassium are associated with higher blood pressure. Bananas are also rich in fiber and lend a natural sweetness to smoothies, baked goods, and frozen treats. Peel and freeze mushy bananas when they start to go bad. 3. Berries. Berries, but specifically blueberries, are packed with nitric oxide, a gas that helps increase blood flow, thus lowering blood pressure. A March 2015 study by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found that even less than an ounce of blueberries a day can help significantly lower blood pressure. 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens that include kale, spinach, collard greens, arugula, Swiss chard, beet greens, and romaine lettuce are excellent sources of potassium and magnesium. These work together to regulate blood pressure. Think outside of the salad and glorify your greens in omelets, smoothies, and sandwiches. 5. Beets. Similar to blueberries, beets are high in blood pressure-reducing nitric oxide. Research has revealed that drinking beetroot juice can help lower your systolic blood pressure by 4 to 5 mHg. Try adding beetroot juice to your diet, and if you buy store-bought juice, make sure there isn't added sugar. 6. Garlic. It may be able to help reduce blood pressure. Allicin is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. However, doctors don't recommend using garlic supplements since there is limited research on their effectiveness for hypertension. 7. Sweet potatoes. Potassium and magnesium-rich sweet potatoes are an important part of following a blood pressure-reducing diet. Sweet potatoes are also high in fiber, which is good for your heart, too. 8. Oatmeal. High-fiber whole grains, especially oatmeal, have been linked to lowering the risk of cardiovascular disease, can assist with weight loss, and may help to lower your cholesterol. Studies have shown that just 3 servings of whole grains a day can decrease your risk of heart disease by 15%. Oatmeal for breakfast is a good way to start your day with whole grains. Add whole wheat bread at lunch and quinoa, barley, or brown rice at dinner. 9. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and can help lower blood pressure. They are also a great source of vitamin D, which helps the body absorb calcium, protect against depression, and regulate blood pressure. 10. Avocado. Creamy avocado is a great source of calcium, magnesium, and potassium. One avocado contains about 975 milligrams of potassium, which is about 25% of your daily intake. 11. Quinoa. There is a reason quinoa is a supergrain. A half cup contains almost 15% of the magnesium you need in a day. Plus, it's rich in plant-based protein and fiber to relieve constipation, stabilize blood sugar levels, and ward off hunger. 12. Broccoli. Cruciferous vegetables, like broccoli, are high in all of the 4 magic compounds that help lower blood pressure: calcium, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C. Studies have shown that diets high in cruciferous vegetables have led to lower levels of heart disease and longevity. 13. Peaches and nectarines. Peaches and nectarines are like fruit cousins that share a lot of similar benefits, one of which is their high potassium content. A large peach or nectarine supplies about 10% of a person's daily recommended value. Potassium helps balance water levels in the body and helps us get rid of excess sodium. 14. Kiwi. 3 kiwi fruits a day have been shown to greatly lower blood pressure, according to a study by Oslo University Hospital. Of course, there is no magic fruit or vegetable that will rid you of your blood pressure problems, but adding more kiwi to your diet may be a good choice. 15. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers help reduce high blood pressure with the help of potassium and vitamin A. They're also high in fiber and vitamin C, making them a healthy snack with hummus. 16. Unsalted pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in blood pressure-lowering magnesium and zinc. Pumpkin seed oil is furthermore a good way to get benefits. Be warned, store-bought pumpkin seeds are usually coated in salt, so choose the unsalted varieties or roast your own by baking them in a sheet pan for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. 17. Dark chocolate. For all chocolate lovers, according to a May 2018 study in Heart, flavanol-rich dark chocolate has been linked to a lowered risk of cardiovascular disease. The study found that the flavanols in dark chocolate helped promote healthy blood vessel function. 18. Pistachios. Pistachios have been proven to lower blood pressure by reducing blood vessel tightening and heart rate. 19. Pomegranates. It's not always easy to eat pomegranates, particularly since they're so hard to peel, but pomegranate juice is easy to drink, and will give you the same benefits. A September 2013 study in Plant Foods for Human Nutrition suggests that the high antioxidant levels in pomegranate juice can help lower blood pressure. 20. Olive oil. Olive oil may be high in calories, but it has numerous health benefits. Using polyphenol-rich olive oil has been linked to lowering blood pressure, especially among women. Make olive oil your go-to oil when cooking, and new research says replacing butter with olive oil may reduce your risk of disease and death. 21. Watermelon seeds. The seeds of the watermelon fruit are rich in an amino acid called L-citrulline. When you eat citrulline, your body converts it into arginine and then nitric oxide, which dilates and extends up your blood vessels. This helps blood to flow freely through your body and brings down your blood pressure.